Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I know I've been putting up a lot lately. Some of the stuff's really boring, I'm sure, and some of it's not so great. And some of it probably is meaningful to somebody, hopefully. Trying to show a lot of different things. Just wanted to quickly hop on here and put a little personal message in at the end of the video. I apologize that the camera cut out on the stick welding part of this repair. I'm not really a great technology guy, but I'm doing the best I can. I'll try and be better about it in the future, but no promises. The camera's probably still going to screw up. That being said, there's some great other people out there. I want to give a shout out to Derbador the Weldor. Give them a look up and a like on here. Obviously, Chucky 2009 I've mentioned in the past. C Weld and weldingtipsandtricks.com. All great sites. If you're starting out and you're looking for techniques and things of that nature, I'm not really a technique guy because I don't think I'm the best welder in the world, and I still have a long ways to go and a lot to learn. But I am just trying to show a different variety of jobs and things that I do just to keep the business coming in. But those are definitely guys to check out and see what they're doing on their pages. Another guy, Welderbeast, is another great source if you're looking for information. All great resources. I would go to weld.com quite a bit as well. I'm just trying to run through in my mind. There are so many great channels out there. Aaron Ross is another guy. I think he's A Ross Welding or something like that. Jacob Schofield, or I'm sure I'm mispronouncing his name. I'm sorry guys if I'm doing that. But they're all great channels, and you can really get a lot of information from them. You know, I'm running my own business, and even I take things away from the videos that they're putting up. But C Weld is definitely up there. Derbador the Weldor is working with a lot of old equipment, small beginnings, the same thing that I've done, and I have a lot of respect for what he's doing and the way he's going about putting it up on his channel to help others. I think we're all here for the same thing, where we want to help people kind of get ahead and make their businesses work, because it's not easy. It's tough times. So keep your nose to the grindstone. I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, you know, do all that technical stuff. Trying to put out, you know, videos every week, just so that I can kind of keep the information coming, and hopefully, like I said in my original video, the goal is to help people. So hopefully I helped you somehow. Cheers.